Okay, so the bag collection challenge is over. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews. And if you're not new, welcome back guys. It's so great to see you. This is a very impromptu video, but I really like doing those kinds of videos. I did my bag collection challenge for 23 days. And yeah, that really was an experience. I really enjoyed using every single bag. I loved using a new bag every day. I didn't make it through all my bags. I had a few left over. I just wanted to treat myself and I did it pretty sporadically, but this has been a bag that I really have been eyeballing, and it's in this box and it's not a Coach bag, believe it or not. I have had one of these in my collection before in a whole different color. Ultimately didn't love the color the most, so I did part ways with it. And when I saw this color, I was like, I've got to get it. So I'm just gonna hurry up and get through this unboxing. It was bought from off of Farfetch. I've never honestly used Farfetch, so I was able to use like a 10% off code. So that was really fun. So yeah, we'll go ahead and just rip into this box and check it out. It's kind of one of those bags that is very, I mean, it's been popular for the last couple of years. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It's got the Marc Jacobs packaging. And on my Instagram, I went on and pulled colors from you guys, and this one was actually the one that got the most votes to get. So we'll go ahead and take a look. We've got the dust bag. And here we go. It is so pretty. So I got the Marc Jacobs tote in the new size small. This used to be the mini, now it's called the small. I totally understand why they call it that, because this bag is really truly a small. It's not really a mini. The new mini is much smaller. So this is in the color Deep Blue Sea, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it because it's like a true navy. The hardware on this bag is silver. It's really pretty. And then they have the handles kind of like, oh, there we go. They were kind of smushed down there. So yeah, here's what she looks like, you guys. I'm so happy. I've been really wanting, I don't need anything. I've been really wanting this bag back again in my collection. I just missed it. I used to have the Aspen green one, and I have a review of that one on my channel, and I'll link it down below. That was a really pretty color for somebody else. I think if I'm gonna do a green, I wanted it to be like a darker green. But this color of blue is absolutely beautiful, and this one's actually in really good shape. I've heard of some of these bags come with like cracked leather, and this one looks flawless. Like, I'm happy to see this one comes in really good shape. It's got brown interior. Of course, it comes with the adjustable strap. Again, it has all those adjustments, and it's got the silver hardware. I really love navy with silver hardware. I think it just looks so beautiful. And then on the inside here, you know, you've got the standard Marc Jacobs, the tote setup. You've got the slip pocket with the little card holder slip pocket in there too. So I'm super happy. The process with Farfetch went great. Like, I ended up getting this on a pretty good sale. They retail for $3.95, and I think with tax this was altogether like $3.80 because, you know, tax and then 10% off. So that worked out really well. So I'm obsessed. I love the Marc Jacobs, the tote bags. The lettering's not so in your face on this color, and I like that. It's very much more muted, and I really dig that. Yes, I love it, and I love the feeling of the leather. I'm just happy to have something different than Coach too. Like, no offense to Coach, I like Coach a lot, and I always will. It's my favorite brand. I wanted to shake things up a little bit. And since I'm kind of more of a contemporary leaner person, I wanted to get back into Marc Jacobs again. They've got some cool bags in their lineup, and this is just a classic, I think. And I think I may want to get the bigger size than this to carry for my work tote, because you can fit a 13-inch laptop in that one. This one you can just fit an iPad in, but I'm really probably not going to do that. I'm probably just going to use this for like my everyday bag and like my everyday things. So I'm in love. I love the color. So again, thank you guys so much for watching the video and just watching this little unboxing. I'll probably move right into it. So I may still keep going with my like bag of the day thing on Instagram. That has been like so much fun. I love doing all those little reels and posts. It's been fun. People have been commenting too, and I've really been appreciating all the comments and compliments and everything. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.